Ever get that feeling when you want to be productive but also not? So let's make a video game. First we need a player and a script, write a line of code, and we are moving right. One more and we are going left and right, and one last so we stop when you don't press anything. Gravity was a bit more complex since it needed an acceleration, but a few lines of code and we are falling. One last thing, we needed the ability to jump. Simple enough, just make a function, write some code, and we'll be jumping. Everything is going pretty smoothly right now, and nothing can go wrong or anything. Oh, the problem is that our gravity keeps stacking even if we are on the ground, which is not good. This was fixed just by putting some squares at the bottom of our player's feet and writing some code, and great, now the player knows when it's on the ground, so gravity doesn't function while we're on the ground because that's bad. We should also implement this for jumping so we can't jump forever. Okay, so with some pretty good movement done, there's something that is not good, and that is our player. What we need are some animations. The idle animation was pretty easy, just one frame. The walking animation wasn't that bad, but it did require some actual animating. The actual problem came from jumping. The problem is that depending on when we release the button, I made it so our jumping stops. So we can just make one animation and call it a day. We need a jumping animation and a falling animation, and to make sure they start at the right moment. It did take a bunch of work and states, but at the end we got this final result.